Ever wondered how much that overseas shopping spree actually costs you after all those sneaky foreign transaction fees and fluctuating exchange rates? It's a frustrating mystery, right? You see a price tag, but the final number on your credit card statement tells a different story. That's where YouTrip comes in, promising a smoother, more transparent way to spend abroad. But the burning question everyone has is, what's the catch? Specifically, what's the interest rate on YouTrip? Before we dive into the specifics of interest rates, let's back up a little and understand what YouTrip actually is. For those unfamiliar, YouTrip is a multi-currency wallet that lets you pay in over 150 currencies at wholesale exchange rates. Think of it as your digital travel buddy, designed to help you save money while you explore the world. You load your YouTrip wallet with your local currency, and then use the linked card just like a debit card when you're overseas or shopping online from international retailers. The key benefit here is that you're avoiding those hefty foreign transaction fees that traditional banks often slap you with. Now, about that interest rate question. This is where things get interesting, and thankfully, quite simple. The good news is, YouTrip doesn't charge interest. That's right, there are no interest rates to worry about. YouTrip isn't a credit product, it's a prepaid multi-currency wallet. You only spend the money you've already loaded into your account. This is a huge advantage compared to credit cards, where interest can quickly accumulate if you don't pay your balance in full each month. With YouTrip, you're in control of your spending. You load what you need, and that's what you spend. No hidden fees, no interest charges, just transparent and straightforward currency conversion. So, how does YouTrip make money if they don't charge interest? That's a valid question. YouTrip primarily earns revenue through the small spread they apply on the exchange rates. Essentially, they buy currency at a wholesale rate and sell it to you at a slightly higher rate. This difference, while minimal, is how they generate income. However, even with this small spread, YouTrip often works out to be cheaper than using your regular credit card or exchanging currency at a traditional money changer, especially when you factor in those pesky fees. Think about it. You're in a bustling market in Bangkok, haggling for souvenirs. With YouTrip, you can pay with confidence, knowing you're getting a competitive exchange rate and avoiding those nasty surprises on your bank statement later. No more mental gymnastics trying to calculate how much you're actually spending. You see the price in the local currency, and YouTrip converts it to your home currency at a transparent rate, right there and then. Another important point to clarify is that YouTrip is not a bank account. It's a prepaid wallet. This means your funds aren't insured in the same way as deposits in a traditional bank. However, YouTrip is regulated and operates under strict financial guidelines, so your money is handled securely. It's always a good idea to read the terms and conditions to fully understand how your funds are protected. So, to summarize, there is no interest rate on YouTrip. It's a prepaid multi-currency wallet designed to help you save money on overseas transactions. You load it with your local currency, and then spend in over 150 currencies at competitive exchange rates, without the burden of interest charges or hidden fees. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.